Some polling units for Port Harcourt constituency 2 for Port Harcourt City local government area for Rivers State don't record low voter turnout for the supplementary elections. Our three-person wey carry waka around for the election see some people they do their normal business while some they play football for major roads. Some people wey talk to our three people talk say them vote peacefully as katakata no dey and say them they satisfied with the performance of the bimodal voter accreditation system. The PDP candidate for federal constituency Blessy Amadi talk say the turnout they very encouraging.
Election is free and fair. Nobody is being harassed here. People are voting out of their position. I don't have any problem with the beavers. It's functioning. I've been captured. Close down of the roads affects just a part of Port Harcourt, so they just vote and go back to their business.
The beavers machine is credible. Like immediately you go in, they accredit you and you vote immediately. And I'm seeing it that the network today is perfect.
The All Progressive Congress candidate for the elections, Collins Awoda, wey don't join body with PDP, come out, support a new party.
I'm not taking part, yes. I've only come out to vote for my new party and the candidate of the party, Mrs. Blessy Amadi. The truth is this, our party, they are not ready to win an election. I've tried as an individual. The PDP people in this area will also attest to that. I was a force in this my area. I've tried as an individual thinking that will make me go through. But if it is on the plans of the party to win the election, they are not ready. No, I didn't disappoint myself. They are supporters. Look at them. Some of them are here. They are very happy.
So far, the election has been very peaceful. We have not heard of any security hitch in any of the wards, and we believe that it's also going to end peacefully. Well, as a PDP member, the APC candidate, if he has decided to discontinue with the election, well, to God be the glory. The Labour candidate is in the election, yes, because if you go around, you see the Labour Party agents all over the place. So the election is keenly contested. If APC decides to step down, does not mean that other candidates of the other parties have all stepped down.
We have been working together before now. We used to work with him as a PDP member. So it's not a new person. We are all from the same community and they have seen the need to step down and support me.
Despite a low turnout day for the election for some units, the election still hold well as it is very peaceful according to some persons who come out come vote. From Rivers State, A. Carter, Ojisele, TMC TV News.